My mom bought this really nice house, but when she bought it, it came with a sidewalk that just goes to nowhere. We're gonna fix that for her today. The yard was small, my machine is big, so I decided to do this the old school way. Sledgehammer, mattock, and a wheelbarrow. Didn't have to park the truck too far. Total length I think was like 33 feet. We got this. Coming out nicely. Found a few pieces of rebar. Still got a few swings in me. I might be getting tired right here. Got it all loaded up. Nice little rest while I drive to the dump. Hand load. Creed is here. Let's get it down. One-man show today. Trying to keep the costs low. It's Mom's job after all. Shout out to Mom on the camera, by the way. She takes over here real soon. Does a great job. Make sure it's filled up to the sides of the form. Start knocking it down with the straight edge. Back and forth with my magnesium straight edge. Sealing it up as I go. Getting back in the truck. Finish pouring it out. He did an excellent job. Carl was the man that day. Pull the inside pins as I go, get those out of the way once Crete's against the board. Make it to the end and it's go time because it's getting hot. Bull float. I hit it 3, 4, maybe 5 times, try to get it sealed up, get all the holes filled in. Get it ready for the edger. Look at Mom on the camera. Boom, stand right with me. Float it out as you go, fill in any imperfections that you see. Had to pick out a leaf.